We Work Remotely Freelance Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think remote job boards are full of scams, but you won't believe what happens next when you browse We Work Remotely. We Work Remotely is one of the largest remote job platforms, featuring roles in tech, marketing, design, customer support, and more. The surprising truth is that many top companies post jobs directly on the platform. Most people get this wrong. They think jobs are always available. In reality, listings change quickly and competition is high. We Work Remotely is best for freelancers and remote job seekers who want legitimate opportunities. The surprising truth is that remote work is more accessible than ever. Subscribe for more honest freelancing platform reviews that help you land jobs faster.